video, I'm going to be painting my front door and decorating my front door area for this fall. I'm so excited. This is my favorite season, so grab yourself a cup of coffee or a hot drink and let's get to it. Whoa, look at that, Tyler! As you can see from the previous clip, I am deathly afraid of wasps or any type of bees, and there was one that throughout the whole video just keeps on pestering me. It didn't want me decorating apparently for this fall. I was in its way somehow, so all throughout me decorating, it's constantly taunting me, so you'll see me run and scream throughout the video. A really inexpensive way to change the look of your front door or porch area is simply by painting your door. I use this color in Spice Cider. It's a PPG brand from Home Depot, and I got it in semi-gloss, and I got it for really cheap because I figured it was a darker color. I would only need one tub of paint of the sample size, which comes out to like $3.98, and I only used one. And I am no expert at painting doors. This is my second time painting the door, and basically all I do is paint the inner squares with a brush and then the rest of the door with a roller. This section is mainly where I'm going to be putting major decorations for fall, and this is typically what is outside is this wicker bench that my mother-in-law gifted us, and it sits in front of our master bedroom window. I have this $5 thrifted ladder that I wanted to use as our decor. I was going for very antique fall decor outside, very cozy, so I wanted a banner draped over the ladder that said antiques. So to do that, I grabbed some fabric from Hobby Lobby. I believe it was $2 or $3 for half a yard of fabric, and you can use stencils and stencil on with some chalk paint. I decided that I wanted the letters a little larger than the stencils I had, so I decided just to freehand. I did have a picture that I kind of was gauging off of, and I used a very thin brush with the chalk paint and just kind of outlined the letters and then filled in with more paint. I really didn't try to saturate the whole letter with paint because I kind of wanted that antique feel. I hot glued some of the twine onto the top of the banner, so that way I'm able to attach it and knot it through the ladder so that way it doesn't fly away. And you will see me carrying out a blue towel around as I'm decorating, and that is just purely for my safety. I wanted to have it in case I needed to smack this bee that was pestering me as I decorated. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? My goal was to create a scene that seemed very cottage-like and very welcoming and cozy, and just somewhere where you just felt at home and just wanted to sit down, enjoy your coffee, and just relax. So I decided to drape this bench with a blanket that had really nice muted fall colors, a couple pillows from the Target dollar spot. That is my favorite because it's so inexpensive and beautiful decor. And I did make a trip to the Home Depot and bought two of these hay bales that were like about $7 or $8 each, which I thought was great. Better than the decorative ones that you find at craft stores or decor stores. And I also bought two $4 to $5 mums that have not fully bloomed yet, so I'm watering them each day to make sure that they do bloom, and when they do, it'll be that nice burnt orange color. And I also bought some thrifted chairs from a yard sale. I got them for $5 each, and they look really nice and antique, and I thought it would go well with the theme that I was going for. And I did purchase a couple of faux pumpkins at Hobby Lobby. Luckily they have their 40% off, so I did score these cute pumpkins. I also used a lot of the Dollar Tree florals and leaves that I had from previous years that I wasn't using inside. I decided to bring them out here. I also used a couple of my do-it-yourself projects that I've made in the past for fall and used them out here to just complete the look.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day.
So I know this buffalo plaid mat is stinking dirty. However, I did intend to buy a new one and I just couldn't find them anymore at Hobby Lobby at the time that I went. So I just needed to get this done and I would go back and worry about the outdoor mat situation. At least I'm going with an antique theme, so I can always just say it goes with the theme. It's old and raggedy and antique. After hanging my fall wreath in my front door, I decided that my door just needed a little more oomph. So I used my Cricut and some vinyl that I had purchased a while back from Target's Dollar Spot and cut the word welcome and added it to the center of my front door, and I just think it made so much of a difference and it really added that oomph I was going for. Here is the final look, and I just love how everything came together.
Written in the sand. We were born and raised in a world embraced by the fate of us all. The writings on the wall. We were born.
I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some farmhouse, cottage style outdoor front porch decoration ideas for this fall. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you here at the Consider It All Joy community, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye.
From the skies, 'cause we